welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, I love you. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting and sharing my videos. If you are just seeing me for the first time, I would love you to just click that cute red button down below that says subscribe, so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications whenever I upload new videos. So today is going to be like a talk. It's been a while since I did a very a talking video. The last one I did was the get to know me tag, and I think that was like the last. I can't remember if I've done any talk through videos. So today I'm going to be talking about essential brushes you need for your personal makeup routine or for your daily makeup routine. For people who still don't use makeup brushes for their makeup routine, I'm going to ask you one question. Sister, why haven't you used, or why are you not using makeup brushes to do your makeup? Because makeup brushes helps to make the job faster. Like, it helps to make it so smooth, flawless. It just helps you take the stress away of, you know, that stress of wearing makeup. So today I'm going to be talking about 10 essential brushes, and if you want to know what those brushes are, don't go anywhere, keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please edge or be cool, click that red button, and I'll see you all pretty soon. So the first brush I'm going to be talking about is the angle brush. The angle brush to define your eyebrows, to sculpt your eyebrows. And I don't know, for people who don't have angle brushes, like, how do you define your brows? Like, how do you sculpt your brows? I don't know. Do you use like brooms or combs? I don't know, just tell me. I want to know. This brush is very key. It helps to define your eyebrows, helps to sculpt it. In fact, the fact that it's angled and it's flat and sharp just give you that very stressless and free way to define and sculpt your brows, apart from people who actually draw their brows and don't need sculpting. I'm going to give you like 2 fat thumbs up. Like, you guys are the real MVP. But if you don't have an angle brush, like, I don't know how you do your brows. That's the first brush on my list. The second brush is the spoolie or mascara one. Some people call it spoolie, some people call it mascara one. And I'm going to ask again, sister, if you don't have a spoolie, how do you brush your hair in place? Please don't tell me you still use a toothbrush to do your brows. Like, please don't tell me. I don't believe you still use a toothbrush to do your brows. Come on, this thing is less than $1 for crying out loud. This is less than 500 naira in the Nigerian market, and you're still using old toothbrush. Why? So this is the second brush on my list. It helps you to, you know, brush your brows in place. It can even take off excess mascara clumps on your lashes. It can even reduce excess pencil on your eyebrows. Then the third brush I'm going to be talking about here is the foundation brush. This is the regular foundation brush we see in the market. Yes, this is the regular foundation brush we see in the market. A lot of people don't use this to apply their foundation. Some people like to use the beauty blenders. Some people like to use blending wedges. Some people like to use what's that thing that came out sometime last year? I just feel it's just a failed makeup invention. I'm trying to remember, what's that thing? Silicone sponge. Some people like to use a silicone sponge, but I think this is fine and this is fair for people who want to apply their foundation. And people still use their powder puff to apply foundations. My god, it is unhygienic, especially when you don't wash it, because a lot of people don't even wash their powder puffs or their makeup brushes when they use after they use it to apply makeup on their faces. So please, this is essential. I'm also going to talk about another type of foundation brush. This is like a blending foundation brush. This is what I use. I'm sure you've seen me use this brush all the time in my videos. I like to use this, and I also end up switching to this when it gets to my brow region and under my eye. So if you find this one in the market, if you find this one, fine, but I prefer this one because this helps to blend in my foundation and avoid lines that this might actually brush. The fourth brush I'm going to talk about here is eyeshadow brushes. For eyeshadow brushes, I like to use 2 flat eyeshadow brushes for my makeup routine. Why do I say 2 flat eyeshadow brushes? Because I have to use one for lighter colors and I have to use the other one for darker colors. You can't expect me to have just one eyeshadow brush and I want to do black smoky eyes and I use this. Tomorrow I want to come and do a silver or gold inspired makeup and I'll still come and use the same brush I use for black. I don't know how my gold wants to show. Like, I don't know how my silver is gonna pop if I'm gonna use a brush that has been stained with black. So I prefer to use, or I prefer to tell people, advise people to go for 2 flat eyeshadow brushes. So you use one for your lighter colors and you use the second one for your darker colors. That's like 5 brushes now. Then the 6th brush I'm going to use is the powder brush. This powder brush is from Real Tech. Yes, this is the Real Techniques powder brush, and I love the fact that it is so soft. Like, it's so soft, it's so fluffy, and it helps to, and it's full, so I don't even need to waste time in applying powder. By the time I dip it into my powder, this whole side is covered. I dip it here, this whole side is covered. So for people who still use powder puffs to apply your powders, I'm looking at you like, I hope you wash those powder puffs, or I hope you change them like all the time. So if you don't use your powder puff and you want to use this, please endeavor to get a powder brush. It's easy, you just dip in and apply dipping, because that powder puff, you keep dragging, try to drag in the powder to your face. So that's number 6. Then the 7, I think that's number 6, Abby. So the next brush I like to talk about is the eyeshadow blending brush. Brush that you can use to blend colors on your crease line. We have different types of blending brushes. We have very tapered blending brushes, we have very pointed, we have really fluffy blending brushes, we have okay, this is like a pointed blending brush, but I could call it more like a crease brush. I just use it for a tutorial not too long ago, and this is the one I usually use. I'm sure you've seen me use this in my channel. I got this brush from Eyeshadow Beauty, and it's so fluffy. It helps to blend my foundation and my eyeshadow, sorry. And I like the fact that it has like, it's tapered, it has like a sort of a pointed tip, not that so pointed, but it's not so full and everywhere, so I can even concentrate colors more on my crease line. So you need this eyeshadow blending brush to blend out colors on your crease line, to transition, and all the eyeshadow blending you need. The next brush I want to talk about is the blush brush. Yes, it's really slanted to one side and it's usually full. This brush was given to me on Glam by Stoken's training I attended in 2016, and it was part of what was in the goodie bag. I like this brush because it is full. I like this. I can also use this brush, like I can interchange it. I can use it as a blush brush, I can use it as a contour brush. Because of the way it is slanted to one side, it fits perfectly when I'm trying to do my contour, and it is actually firm and soft. So you could buy a blush brush that is firm and soft, and you can use it as a blush brush at the same time to do your contour. So you're doing your contour first before you do your blush, because you cannot do your blush first and do your contour. You will have a lot of pink or red or whatever color your blush is all over your cheekbones or the hollow of your cheek. So this brush is also necessary. Then I'm going to be talking about the fan brush. She doesn't want like a little bit of highlighter or bronzer on the high point of her face, you know, that glow. So that when you just stay on the light, it just glows. Can you see how mine is glowing? Oh, okay. Okay, so you actually need a small fan brush to apply. It helps to spread the color of your bronzer or your highlighter very, very well on the highest point of your face, the bridge of your nose, your forehead, your chin, everywhere you need to spread highlighters on. I love this brush. It's really, really essential. I never used to use it, but ever since I started using it, I don't think I can use any other brush to apply bronzers or highlighters on top of my cheekbones. So I can't remember, I'm supposed to do like 10 brushes, so I'm going to go back to count if it's up to 10. So this is 1 brush, 2 brushes, 3, 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I still have 1 more brush left. 9 brushes. So the last brush I would like to add is optional. You can decide to get a lip brush if you want, or you can decide to get a very flat eyeshadow brush, like a full and a long eyeshadow brush. You could use this brush can double as a concealer brush. You can double as a brush to, you know, contour the sides of your nose if you don't have a fair fluffy blending eyeshadow brush, because that's what I use literally to avoid harsh lines around my nose region. So you can use this as a concealer brush. You can also use this as to apply your concealer on the bridge of your nose. So I think these are like very essential brushes As I said, lip brush, it's your choice, because since you're using a lipstick and it's just for you, unless you're sharing lipstick with a couple of people, then you can use a lip brush. Or if you're not sharing lipstick with a couple of, you can decide to just apply your lipstick just like that. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. I didn't want it to be unnecessarily long in as much as we talk through videos. So don't forget, if you feel you missed anything, you can go back to watch this video again. Don't forget to share this video, because I know it's going to be helpful to a lot of women who are confused on the kind of brushes they're supposed to use or get. So please do have a fabulous day ahead. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Tutorial on this look is going to be up on my channel pretty soon. I don't know which one is going to be. Either this one comes first or the other one comes first. But 100 subscribers plus, I love you all. To my new subscribers, thank you and welcome to the family. Bye guys.